hundreds of billions of data records that need to be ingested per hour. It's massive, and you need to make sense out of it. So the storage and compute that is required, the power that is required to achieve outcomes is just massive. Operating in the cloud provides you the economics to do that and provides you the time to market. Unifying your tech stack and then offering a service to your customers becomes really the right model that achieves efficiencies and benefits for both. Cutting the deployment times from months sometimes into hours and achieving greater automation is another thing. Amortizing the investment across a larger base, because especially if you're doing this in the form of a multi-tenanted SaaS platform, right? Then you are able to offer this to customers. The telco industry needs to move to a mindset of real-time on-demand operations, because you are delivering, when you talk about 5G slicing, when you talk about even operating private mobile networks, the demand is not constant like this. There will be peaks of demands, and they will come in real time. So will the use cases. So you need to operate real-time on demand. To operate real-time on demand, you need to be highly automated, i.e. an order magnitude higher automation than what is available today. And that automation needs to be driven by AI. So people have to think of cloud not only as, oh, I'm migrating my workload and I'm achieving CapEx efficiencies and OpEx efficiencies. This is part of the equation, but it's you are getting access to a platform for innovation and platform that allowing you to profitably execute AI at scale and automate your operations at scale. Security. How can I make sure that my data here is secured within my environment? How can I ensure data security in the public cloud? So that's a first concern that you have to overcome. Then you have the regulatory concerns sometimes that, okay, regulators impose that ABC, but now we'll see more and more clouds, like data centers being coming to different countries to overcome some of these regulatory concerns. The third one is really the know-how, because when you shift to cloud, then you shift from static, virtual machines, from IT workloads to containers, to microservices and containers. And this is a whole new thing that you have to learn how to operate and manage and scale. Then there is the mentality to shift from a CapEx model to an OpEx model. And that's, our industry, especially the telco, has been used for many years to the CapEx model. I buy the hardware for the next 3 years or 5 years, and I start amortizing it. And you have to, shift to that new model that delivers 3 to 5 years kind of, high double-digit savings. Among our customers, and talking about my own experience, operators as diverse and as large as Globe in the Philippines, H3G in the UK, Vodafone in the UK, T-Mobile in Austria, many are today running their service assurance, their network performance, service quality management in the public cloud with our SaaS solutions. They're getting the benefit of it.